Hello everyone, welcome to Paytm Wholesale Learning Hub. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Anand. Today we will be learning about Paytm product listing ads. This session will be conducted in English. If you have any questions during the session, please ask them by typing in the chat box. We will try to answer all your questions before the session ends. During this session, we will discuss following things. What is Paytm product listing ads? Benefits of Paytm product listing ads, how to create an ad campaign, how to check the performance of the campaign. So let's begin. What is Paytm product listing ads? It is a self-serve tool that helps you advertise all your live products on Paytm Mall website and on app. This helps you get better visibility of your product and improve sales by advertising relevant products to the customer. This is one of the easiest way to stand out in the marketplace and ensuring higher visibility with sponsored ads on 6 different pages on Paytm Mall app and web. Paytm product listing ads are visible on different pages, types of Paytm Mall websites and the Paytm Mall app. These pages are as follows. Number 1 is the search grid, the product grid that opens when the customer searches for any keyword. The second one is a category grid that opens when the customer navigates through the platform to reach the category section. For example, if the customer shops by a particular category on paytmmall.com, say men's fashion, then choose a subcategory like t-shirt, sponsored ads will be displayed in the result. The third one is the PSP list. These are the customized landing pages created for promotional banners. The fourth one is the post transaction screen. Here's the sponsored product ads are placed on the post transaction screen, or the screen you can say that opens when the customer places an order. And the sixth one, category storefront, sponsored ads which are placed on the category stores. Here are a few examples of the ad page. If a customer searches for a shoe, then related to ad will be displayed in the search result. Similarly, when a customer clicks on a promotional banner on the Paytm Mall website or app, the ad will be displayed. Likewise, if a customer visits product description page of a product similar to a jeans, then the related product ad will be visible under the sponsored product section. Now, let's discuss in detail about the benefits of Paytm product listing ads. Paytm product listing ads are one of the best tools to promote your product that can help you get noticed in the crowd. It helps in increasing the visibility of your product in organic listing, meaning your product will be on the top searches. These you can see, sorry I was repeat them. These are the search grids, these are the PSP list. You can see these are the PSP list examples. Then we add on the product detail page. Now let's discuss the benefits as we were talking about. The first benefit, it helps in increasing the visibility of your product in organic listing, meaning your product will be on the top in the searches. You can stand out among the competitors by highlighting a product in organic grid. It will make a product visible to the right customer at the right time. Getting the product visible to the right customer at the right time, which will in turn boost your sales with an increased order and more visits to your product detail page. Here you can get complete control over your marketing budget, hence enabling you to plan your marketing strategy efficiently. Also, you will get a detailed analytics with respect to the performance of your campaign that you run. Now, without any further delay, let's discuss the steps involved in creating a product listing ad campaign. To create a campaign ad, first of all, log into your seller panel. You have your user IDs and your passwords, you need to log in. Then On the left side, you will see product listing ads, or you can see PLA dashboard. Click on the PLA dashboard tab. Here you can read all the information related to PLA. You can scroll down the page. You can also watch the video and learn how it works. You can also read the frequently asked questions here. Once you complete your reading, click on the checkbox to accept the terms and conditions. Please note, once you accept the terms and condition, the default campaign will get live from backend by using your free credits along with the amount that you add to your PLA wallet. We will discuss in detail about the default campaign later in the upcoming slides. So once you accept the terms and condition, your PLA dashboard will appear initially with no data, as no running campaign is there. As soon as you opt for a PLA, you will get a free credit of 1500. You can further top up the wallet by adding the amount to your PLA wallet as per the requirement. Here you can check the PLA wallet balance. As you can see, there is 1500 rupees balance showing as highlighted in the screen right now. Please note, as a part of our promotional offer, you will get a free credit of 1500 in your PLA wallet. You can club this with the other budget already in your wallet, or the additional funds you add to your wallet, and the free credits have no expiry and can be used at any point of time. Now let me tell you, two types of PLA seller packages are available. The first one is the gold package and second one is the platinum package. The gold package is provided to all those sellers who are using free credit and have not topped up their PLA wallet. Initially, when you have a free credit, say 15,500 rupees you have received, but you have not yet recharged your wallet again, till then you are considered into a gold package. After that, once you recharge your wallet, you automatically upgrade to platinum package. There are various features which are enabled in the gold package, but various features are also there which are not there in gold package. But let me tell you one thing, platinum package have all the features you can see in the table right now. I'll tell you again that you can simply upgrade your package by simply topping up your wallet. You will get upgraded to gold to platinum. Now let's learn how you can add money to your wallet. So on the left tab you will see PLA wallet. Click on that. A new page will open. Now enter the amount that you want to add. PLA wallet including the GST charges. Now select your billing address. Please note that minimum amount that you can add to your PLA wallet is 1770. That is 1500 plus GST charges, which is 18% of the total amount. Also, in order to use this feature, make sure you must have a synced account. That means you have a seller panel and your Paytm account synced with each other. Here you can check the amount which will be added to your PLA wallet and the GST amount which will be deducted. Now click on the add money to proceed. You can choose the preferred mode of payment here. Here you can check the status of your transaction and download the receipt. The status will be in three types. Firstly, it's a successful transaction which is being successfully deducted from your account and your wallet is being charged successfully. Second one is in process. That means in case that your bank account is deducted but your wallet is not charged. In that case, till the wallet gets recharged, it will show as in process. If the money is deducted and not being credited in PLA wallet, Please note you can raise a ticket for the same, or it will automatically get refunded to your account as per the bank policy. In case of failed, this means that your transaction is not processed. You need to again retry to recharge your wallet. In order to download the receipt for the same, there is an option on the right, download receipt. You can simply click on that. Here you can see a sample of the receipt, how it is. Please note, we send a consolidated invoice of all successful transactions by the end of every month on your registered email ID. Let me show you the sample of consolidated transaction invoice. So this is how it looks. Once you have successfully added amount to your PLA wallet, the amount will be reflected in your wallet in real time. This means as soon as you recharge, the amount will reflect here. You can begin the campaign immediately and you can count as platinum member. As I told you earlier, you can start your campaign now. Plus, now you have recharged your account, you will be considered as platinum member. Now let's discuss the steps involved in creating a PLA campaign. There are two options. You can either modify your campaign or you can use the default campaign created by a system from the backend. To create a new campaign by filling all required details, once you accept the terms and conditions for the PLA, our system creates a default campaign and makes it live for you for using the free credits. You can either modify this default campaign or create a new campaign to advertise your products. Both gold and platinum package sellers can modify and use their default campaign. However, gold package sellers can modify only limited attributes. You can see in the table all the details regarding the campaign. Now let's learn about the details about the default campaign and how you can check your campaign that your system has created. To check the same, scroll down to the same page on the PLA dashboard. Here you can see the default campaign which is visible in front of you. Please note that this is visible only once you accept the terms condition. By default, your campaign will appear as active. This green sign, play sign, shows that your campaign is active. Here you can check the name and the daily budget that you have assigned. To update the budget details section in the product and bidding rate, you need to click on the respective icons here. Click on budget icon to change the budget settings. Then click on the respective icon. A pop-up will appear. Now you will be needed to enter the campaign details under the budget settings. Here you can check your campaign details and modify them. Please note, default campaign cannot be modified by gold members. It can only be modified by the platinum members. After this, enter your daily budget you want to spend on day basis. For example, if I want to spend 600, I will enter here 600. Then the minimum daily budget amount is 500. That the minimum daily budget you have to keep as 500. And the maximum is an option field. If you leave as is blank, the ad will run up till your whole wallet is consumed. Now click on Save button to save the settings. After this, click on the icon to include and exclude the product manually from the campaign. Here you can select and deselect the products which you want to advertise and you don't want to advertise. You can select the product in two ways. First option is AI, which means automatically select your best products, and other one is manual, which means it will allow you to select your products manually. Please note that this feature is available only for platinum members. That means once you recharge your wallet, you will be considered as a platinum member. Then you can easily use this toggle button to create your own category of product which you want to advertise and which you don't want to advertise. Now click on yes to change to manual mode. A new screen will appear here. Here you can select and deselect a product for a campaign. There are two ways to decide that product you want to advertise. Either product inclusion mode or product exclusion mode. First of all, we will learn on inclusion mode. After this, click on Edit Product Selection button. Again, a new screen will appear. Click on the type of filters you want to use to categorize your product. After choosing the filters, click on Apply. All the related products will appear in your search result. You can simply select them by clicking on them. All the products which are active in your catalog will be displayed here. There is no limit on the number of products you can select. A product can be shared only one campaign at a time. Now, once you have done that, click on Save Product Selection. As I told you all the instructions, all the products which are active in your catalog can only be displayed. Inactive products cannot be displayed. Secondly, there is no limit on the number of products you can select for a campaign. Secondly, one product can be selected only for one campaign at a time. That means if you are running two campaigns, that's on particular one product you have selected in both campaigns, that cannot be done. One product can stay in one campaign at a time. Now, this is done. Then we will click on the save button and we'll save it. Now we will see how the exclusion mode. So previously we learned about the inclusion mode. Now we'll learn about the exclusion mode. Inclusion mode consisted at which product we want to include. Now this comes to which product we want to exclude from our list. Then we'll click on edit product exclusion. Same, we will categorize the product by selecting the filter, that particular filter on the category or on brand or by price basis. After selecting the filter, we will click on apply. All those products which come under that filter will appear. Now you can select the products which you want to exclude or remove on your campaign. Again, the same thing which I told you earlier. All the products which are active can only be added in the campaign. There is no limit on number of products. You can add as much as products you want. Only one product can be selected for one campaign. Now once you select the product to exclude from a campaign, click on exclude selection product as highlighted on the screen. Now click on save. Please note, if there is a higher number of products included in the campaign, there will be more chances of getting a higher ROI. That means the number of products you selected, you will get a number of more ads will be there on your pages, different pages. That means can be charged more for this. It has the same criteria. Higher number of products, the higher will be the ROI. Now click on the setting icon to see the bid, type of bids you can say here. There are two type of bids. One is the CPC and other one is ROI. First we will talk about CPC. CPC stands for, that is a very common term, cost per click, we must know. It refers to the cost that you pay for each click on your ad. Each time and space is available, an auction is carried out that decides at which product will be placed at the available ad space. For example, if you have a CPC of rupees 5 for a campaign in an auction, your bid wins, then a product and ad will be displayed to the customer. Once the customer clicks on the particular ad, he will be charged with rupees 5. So this was the CPC. I can explain you once again. CPC stands for cost per click. It refers to the cost that you pay per click. Every time a customer clicks on the ad, it will be charged for it. Each time an ad space is available, for that particular ad space, an auction is carried out. Say you have bid for 5 rupees for that particular ad place in the auction. Say your bid wins. Then in that case, for every click on that particular ad, you will be charged with rupees 5. Next one is the CPC. Sorry, I will come again. That one, next one is ROI. ROI stands for, you can say return on investment, or you can say return on the ad spent. ROI has a simple formula. Returns means GMV generated through sales divided by the amount invested in the advertisement. For example, if you invest rupees 100 in PLA and are expecting a GMV, that is gross merchant value of rupees 500, then your ROI would be 500 by 100, which is equal to 5 times. So you can set your ROI as 5 based on your ROI target, your daily budget, and the system will automatically bid you on the behalf of your product ads in the auctions. Please note, bids are set on campaign level. You can update CPC or ROI on category or SKU level also. Whenever a customer will click on a product ad, you will be charged for that click according to the CPC and ROI set by you. If you want to select the CPC and bid type, move the toggle to CPC. Enter the campaign level CPC bid here. Here you can check the CPC bid value recommended by the system. Rupees 40, which is coming right now. Please note that CPC bid are enabled for only platinum members. Also, it is mandatory for you to set CPC level bid. Now, if you want to set the CPC at a category level or a product SKU level, then you need to set them under the advanced bid settings. If you want to set a CPC bid on a category level, then click on set CPC bid by category, then click on configure button. A new window will open. Here you can check the list of categories, the total amount spent, the CPC history and then of last 30 days along with CPC bid recommended by the system. Under the CPC column, you can set the CPC bid for a particular category. Then click on the save button. Now, if you want to set the CPC bid by SKU, firstly you set the CPC on a category. Now, if you want to set CPC by SKU level, then click on Advanced Settings, then go to Configure as shown in the picture right now. Then click on Set CPC for new SKU. Now choose the filter to see all the products you want to select. Once you have selected the products, you can see the number of spend in last 30 days, CPC of last 30 days, and the suggested CPC here by the system. Once you have done this, you can click on Save button. You will see a notification, bid configured has been successfully saved. Now, if you do not set the CPC bid for any product, the category level CPC bid will be applied, and if the CPC level CPC bid is not set, then in that case, campaign level CPC bid will be applied on the product ads by default. You can also check the ROI target as your choice of bid settings. For that, we just need to turn the toggle towards the ROI. You can see the system suggested ROI here. Note, it is mandatory to set the levels of ROI target. Now, as we saw at the time of CPC, you can in ROI also you can set the bids for category level as well as the SKU level. To set the bid, you just need to click on the below option and click on configure. Please note that all these features are available only for platinum members. Once you click on that, you can see the category of product that you're dealing in, then the last 30 days spend, and the ROI in last 30 days, then suggested ROI from by default from the backend team, then the ROI target you want to set. Once you have done that, click on Save button. After that, if you want to set ROI target for by SKU level or product level, go to set ROI target by SKU, then click on configure, then click on set ROI for new SKU. Select your desired filters to search the product. Once you have searched the product, you can see all the details regarding that. The last 30 days spend, last 30 days ROI, and the ROI target that you want to give. After setting the targets, click on Save button. Again, we want to tell you, if you do not set the ROI target for any product, the category level ROI will be applied, and in case the category level ROI is not set, the campaign level ROI target will be applied to that product by default automatically. Now let's create a campaign. So we can create a campaign three easy steps. First one is filling the detail in the campaign. Then select those products which you want to advertise. Then set the bidding date. So let's do it on the seller panel. To create your own campaign, this feature is available only for platinum members. Gold members cannot create their own campaign, own personalized campaign. For that, you need to recharge your wallet. Once you do a recharge, a minimum recharge of 1,770 including GST, which will give you an amount of 1,500, you can say 1,500 in your PLA wallet. The time you recharge your wallet, you automatically get upgraded to platinum member. You can easily create your own campaign, personalized campaign. So first of all, we will select the budget of the campaign that you want to keep. So for that, click on the budget icon, name your campaign. Say we have done test 1, 2, 3. Then you want to spend 500. Then you need to set the maximum spend limit. And the second step that comes in, that product that you want to include or exclude in your campaign. Once you have done that, here we select the automatic selection. Then the third option comes is bid, which kind of bid you want to set. And set your bid accordingly. After setting the bid, go to save and go live. You can see all the campaigns that are live right now. Please note, creating a campaign does not guarantee that your ads will be placed on the platform. It also does not mean that all the products that you have placed in the campaign will be advertised. It depends on the bid rate and the daily budget limit that is set by you for the campaign. After that, you can see all the campaigns that are live right now. Let's move on to understanding the PLA, product listing ad dashboard. Product listing ad dashboard helps to check the details related to performance of a campaign, such as funnel metrics, performance trend, program contribution, campaign details, catalog performance, and catalog benchmark. So for that, going to the PLA dashboard, go to your seller funnel. On the left side on the tab, you will see PLA dashboard. Click on PLA dashboard. Then again you need, in the second option comes is PLA dashboard. You can see as I highlighted on the screen right now. Again click on them. You can see all the analytics related to that. You can see the GMV in last 14 days. You can select the date, the period for which you want to see the performance of your campaign. For example, you can select these various options: yesterday, last 7 days, last 30 days, last month, or you can customize, select. For example, you want to see for last 4 months. You can easily select last 4 months from here, from the calendar filter. After that, in the funnel metrics, you can see the total spend done, the ad impressions that you received, total ad clicks that you got on the particular campaign, total orders that you received through the campaign or ad, then the GMV that got generated through the ad, the ROI which you were charged for this. Please note, the order and the GMV are attributed over a 15-day period. This means if the customer clicks on PLA ad and buys the product within the next 14 days, in that order and the GMV is attributed to the PLA dashboard. Let me explain you once more. Say if I have an ad which is running for footwear, right? And one of our customer, just clicks on the ad, he sees the footwear, then in next 14 days, upcoming 14 days, he buys the same product. Then in that case, that bought quantity will be considered as a helpful technique which is given by the PLA dashboard. So that analytics report includes all the data which comes under next 14 days of purchase if the customer clicks and buys that product. Then comes the performance trend. You can see the performance trend through the graphical experience here. You can see the spend, ad clicks, ad impressions, GMV and ROI in a graphical way. You can see orders, ad clicks, ad impression, GMV. Here, in the performance trend, you can select the two types of attribute. You can select here two types of attribute. For example, I have selected spend and ad clicks. This graph shows the actual spend and the ads clicks on your product ads for all the PLA campaign within the selected date range. Here you can select the time interval for which you want to see the performance trends. If you further want to filter these performance, then click on the deep dive icon on the left side of the data filter. A new screen will appear. Here you can get an additional filter. Click on the filter icon. Here you can filter the PLA performance on the basis of product category and brand name. Here you can select the rate range for which you want to see the trend. Here you can check the campaign performance on the basis of applied filters and selected date. Now scroll down to the next section, which is program contribution. In the program contribution section, you can compare the product listing ads performance with the organic listing and the sales performance. Such as percentage of product views, product added to the cart, received orders, GMV generated comparison with the same received through organic listing and sales. Now, selection in your campaign, under your selection campaign, you can check the performance of an individual campaign. You can also modify the campaign details here. You can see the overall all the campaigns that are running. You can just click on pause button to stop the campaign. Once you click on that, a pop-up will appear. You need to click on yes. As soon as you click on yes, your campaign stops in the real time. You can check the daily budget here, total spend that have you done, total ROI that has been charged. You can sort your campaigns on the basis of status, budget, creation date, and total spend. On the basis of these filters, you can sort them out. For example, if any of the campaign which is not performing as per your expectations, in that case, there is this option that comes up. You can see in your screen, need attention. So you need to do modifications in the campaign to get higher results. To update the campaign, click on view suggestions. You can see the red one says that you need to do some changes in the campaign, and the green one says that the ad is running fine and do not need to do any changes. You can see various performance wise from this here. You know, from the different options. You can check particular performance of every campaign, particularly with the date filter with a graphical representation. Now, you can next option is catalog performance. You can check the performance of the catalog, the whole catalog say. For example, if I have a fashion catalog, I can see the performance of whole catalog here. That how much spend total we done on that campaign, which was done on a particular category. How many clicks received, how many orders received. I can also download the detailed analytics report. This is the sample report you can see here. Then another type of performance analytics report is category benchmark. Here you can check and compare your total performance with your competitor in the same field and also same category of product. You can check the average daily budget that you are having and the industry is having. You can check the discount product percentage, the discount that you are providing on a product and the industry is providing. You will check the average use that the industry is getting and you are getting on a product. You can check the same product price that you are offering and the industry is offering. You can check the conversion rate, the how many sales are getting converted. You can see the discount percentage offered. So this was the whole analytic part which you get in the product listing ad campaign. Now it's time for question and answers. You can type all your questions in the chat box. We will try to answer all your questions before the session ends. We are going to conclude this session now. Thank you. It has been great to speak with you all today. In case if you want any more information, please visit our website gobig.paytmall.com. All the training guides related to the all topics you can say which we discuss here are available there. You can simply visit our website gobig.paytmall.com. Secondly, if you want to know the upcoming webinar dates and event list, you can go to our website, same website, Gobig, and you click on Doubt No More in the front page. You can see all the dates regarding the webinars and the events that are upcoming. Also, we have a YouTube channel, Paytm also Training Center. You can subscribe that channel today. Click on the bell icon so that you can receive all the notifications and you can stay tuned with all our sessions. Thank you for joining us today. We will see you next time. Best of luck to all the sellers. Happy selling.